So class 4, today we have to do these two poster making. एक save water every drop counts and दूसरा don't harm our earth, turn your key. It is a vehicular pollution. Okay? ये दोनों का दोनों पोस्टर तुम्हें लिखना है. ओके? और इस पोस्टर के नीचे लिख देना हेडिंग्स. सेविंग वाटर. इसका हेडिंग होगा ये लिखने के बाद सेव वाटर एवरी ड्रॉप ऑफ वाटर काउंट सेविंग वाटर. और इसका हेडिंग देना impact of vehicular pollution. Write down. So you have to make two poster. One is saving water, this one, and another is impact of vehicular pollution. So please start doing in your copy. पहले वाला ये करो, then second I will show you. Saving water you draw first. I'm giving you 5 minutes, you draw that first. So all of you do first. Save water, every drop counts. और heading लिख दो saving water. इसका poster बनाओ पहले. Then I will give you another poster. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Do it fast. Keep on drawing, keep on drawing. ये पोस्टर बनाओ English copy में and write the heading saving water. And after that, I will give you another poster. Do fast, you have 5 minutes. I hope all of you are drawing. First you finish this and then I will give you another poster making this one. फिर मैं ये पोस्टर दूंगा बनाने. First you finish this one. Now you have 3 minutes, more 3 minutes. जल्दी बनाओ ये पोस्टर. Keep on making. Draw. I hope all of you must have finished. अगर पहला डायग्राम हो चुका है, अगर पहला पोस्टर मेकिंग हो चुका है, तो should I go to the next poster? Should I go to the next poster? Yes, now I'm going to the next poster. This is the next poster. Please do it. Don't harm our earth, turn your key. Impact of vehicular pollution. Draw. जल्दी बनाओ ये पोस्टर, कोई हाथ नहीं है. Easy here, this one. This is the second poster making. This was the first, and this is the second. Now both are together. Both the poster you have to do. First one heading will be saving water. Second one heading will be impact of vehicular pollution. Start. I hope all of you are making this poster. दोनों पोस्टर बनाना है. If you see on page 126, वहां पे देखो सेविंग वाटर और इम्पैक्ट ऑफ वेहिकुलर पॉल्यूशन के ऊपर दिया हुआ, सेविंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के ऊपर पोस्टर हम लोगों ने कल बनाया. Yesterday we made, right, poster on saving electricity, and today we are making posters on two more topics, that is saving water and impact of vehicular pollution. देखो पेज 126 में दिया हुआ है ये टॉपिक. इसी के बेस पे आई एम मेकिंग यू डू, ताकि कुछ भी ना बचे, हम लोग सब कुछ पूरा कर ले. ऑल द सिलेबस विल बी कवर्ड. ओके. Okay, now I am ending my class. I hope all of you must have drawn this poster. So whoever finished, please send to my WhatsApp for checking. Now I am ending my class here.